Welcome, Oklahoma. Having a family-owned business building homes for families has always been our dream. It's such an honor to be included in the dreams of our clients to build their forever homes. Oklahoma specializes in 100% custom-built modern farmhouse homes built on family land all over Oklahoma. Oklahomes feature the highest quality, value-driven elements made to last a lifetime. And designing your Oklahoma begins with you and your family in mind. Your personal home designer starts by asking about your family and helping research your inspo pics. Then together you'll virtually fly through your unique home in 3D version, making edits together on the spot. This will definitely be one of your favorite experiences. Then partnering with your personal construction manager and interior designer, you'll design every single nook and cranny with your new friends holding your hand the entire way. You've worked hard to get to the place in life where it's time to finally build exactly what you've dreamed of, your forever home. Let us help you get there. Some people think we just build pretty houses. What we really build are memories.